In this video, I will show you how to uninstall or disable built-in apps in Xiaomi devices. See, there are two contacts, two phones, two calendar, and weather and some useless apps. So I'm now going to uninstall these apps. First, go to Play Store, click on the top three bar icon, scroll down and click on Help and Feedback option. Now in the search bar just type delete. The first option appears, delete or disable apps on Android. Click on that. See here, delete apps that you installed. Click on the first option. Tap to go to application settings. These are the apps which is installed in your phone. Now when I'm installing contacts and dialer, I'm clicking disable app. It's now disabled and uninstalled. And calendar, forced to stop, click OK and click on disable and disable app. And here is the weather icon, forced to stop, disable app. See here, these four apps has disappeared and they are uninstalled.